In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Today function in Google Sheets. This is a fantastic feature for keeping your spreadsheets updated with the current date, ensuring that your data is always fresh and relevant. So, let's dive right in and see how you can effortlessly integrate the Today function into your Google Sheets. First, you'll need to open a Google Sheet. If you don't have one already, simply go to Google Sheets and create a new document. This will give you a fresh canvas to work with. Once your sheet is open, click on cell B1. This is where we'll start using the Today function. In cell B1, type the formula, equals today, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. That's it. The Today function does not require any arguments, so you just need those parentheses to make it work. After typing the formula, hit the Enter key. You'll see that Google Sheets instantly updates this cell with today's date. This date will automatically change as the days go by, reflecting the current date whenever you open the spreadsheet. Now that we've got today's date, let's explore how we can use this function to calculate future or past dates. Click on cell B2 and type the formula, equals today, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, plus 30. By adding 30 to the Today function, you're effectively calculating a date that's 30 days in the future from today. Once you've entered the formula, hit Enter. The sheet will calculate and display a date that is 30 days ahead of the current date. Similarly, we can find a date in the past. Click on cell B3 and type the formula, equals today, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, minus 365. This formula will give you the date exactly 1 year ago from today. Again, hit Enter after typing this formula and you'll see a date from the previous year displayed in cell B3. These variations of the Today function are incredibly useful for tracking deadlines, planning future events, or even logging past occurrences. By using these formulas, you can manipulate dates in your spreadsheet with ease and precision. Remember, the Today function is part of a whole suite of date functions in Google Sheets, which can help you perform more complex calculations and operations related to dates. But mastering the Today function as we've done here is a great starting point. That's it for this tutorial on using the Today function in Google Sheets. I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful, and that you're now ready to keep your spreadsheets updated with the current date effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.